and anybody else, don't interview me, because every time people interview me, they disrespect me. So fuck it. I don't give a fuck. No, I'm morning live. Morning live, no. I'm my house, like, and make things happen for myself. The fuck? Stop doing drugs. Stop masturbating. Stop watching porn. You horny little bastard. I'm sure you don't even know who's your father. You bastard. Yeah, man, I like that. I keep it.